What up, what up, what up? Welcome back to another video. Today what we're gonna be doing is putting on some new parts on Mr. Box's car. New parts for the Mustang.
Oh yeah, it's already installed, buddy.
Okay, we're gonna show them after. Oh, you removed the...
Oh yeah, I didn't clean off the little eraser mark.
Whoa, we're gonna go. This thing wants to go to the sidewalk.
For that, we turned off traction. I still got traction though.
It's trying to go to the sidewalk for crowds. You're lucky there's no crowd around here.
Nah, I got a driver mod, bro. That doesn't happen here.
You put in D1 and D2.
Turn off traction. Sometimes it doesn't want to turn on.
Pretty clean though. I've had new wheels. Who it is? Got the track pack wheels, and we're gonna. Oh, he's gonna take off the V6 wheels. It should look way better with those. Got the other two in the trunk. She's gonna mount some. Gonna mount some tires, slap them on, and we'll see how it looks. Get rid of these. Old, new. I like those. Pretty cool. What kind of tires are you gonna put on it?
Some Nito G2s or some R888s because I'm putting down so much power, bro.
Nitos or Toyos only.
Yeah, that's it, bro. I don't run those cheap ass shits. Maybe Pirellis, you know, if I want to spend the extra $20, but
We're gonna see what options they have at the tire shop.
only Kumos.
Federals only.
Nah, I don't know. The Federals, I mean, all the drifters use them, but I've never had a set, so I don't know if they're
This one drifts straight to the left when you get on it, so it's not bad to get those. They like to go sideways.
True. I'm gonna get some. What are those other ones? Lexani tires. Ready to roast those bad boys.
I see a whole lot of Nitos up there, huh?
Oh yeah, bro.
205s. I see some 205s.
Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 3s. We're about to put all these bad boys on
You have a penny? They're pretty good. My whole nail fits in there. It's not bad.
there.
That's 80% tread.
Run this one as a spare.
New wheels. Who this? Oh, it's too hot to be over there, man. Whew.
Looks way
How
better.
far around?
Yeah,
Yeah, it does look way better.
looks way better.
We're gonna put the Brembo covers right here.
Yeah.
It's not bad. Need some lowering springs. I think it'll be pretty good. It's not bad.
I'll be back right now. I'm gonna get those other two. I'm gonna drop these off.
Sheesh. Did you tell the guy to follow the channel?
I was asking him for one of the stickers to put on the car, but
We can't put no stickers from the shop if they didn't hook us up. Take it easy, take it easy. They're already bald, boss.
Yeah,
Take it easy.
I gotta break them in. Gotta get them warmed up.
I think with 2 burnouts you could warm these puppies up. If you would have told them like unos $20 off, we would have put the sticker on
I
them.
paid 100
For 4 tires?
Yeah.
And mounted? Not bad. That was actually pretty good. Maybe we could rep the sticker then. We're gonna unload these two and then go back to the tire shop because all four didn't fit here. Since I'm on a little diet for now, she eats the chips and I drink the shake. Tastes like In-N-Out. Yeah. We're about to wash the whips. I'm gonna wash this one daily and this thing. Filthy. Nice and soapy. Nice and clean. On to the next one. I think a little bit lower than the lip would look nice.
Yeah. Wheels cleaned up pretty good.
Yeah.
I ran out of cleaner, but they cleaned up pretty good.
He did one performance mod already. Pop the hood, pop the hood.
Couldn't wait.
Oh. With carbon K&N intake.
I just had to do my own little thing. I have to cap this one off. Well, I mean, everyone caps it off. I don't know what it does, but I have to cap that off.
So you remove that when you put an intake?
Yeah.
There's a big ass hose that runs from this all the way
to the stock
here.
air box, but I just gotta get a cap for that. And then this, I cut the old hose. It was like hard plastic, so I could just use this little clip style, whatever, pushing style for the for the PCV, and then I just put it onto that with a hose, so it slips on good. And because I saw other people just running the straight hose and it goes up and over, so
yeah,
I
just from there
kept that little elbow, put it on.
Looks nice though. I feel like it fits the engine bay pretty good.
Yeah, it does. And I mean,
like there's people that put
horsepower.
You could put an intake and sometimes it looks a little, I mean, it's obviously an intake, but sometimes it just makes the engine bay look a little cleaner. This one does, I feel like it. It's not bad.
I don't know, it flows good. It matches with the car. It looks good.
Yeah. What's it called?
Bar legal?
Bar legal. Carb legal.
Carb legal.
Carb legal. Yeah, yep. And he got the new wheels today. I'm probably gonna end the vlog here, the video. You guys don't want to see me wash that little Civic.
Way better than the other wheels I have.
Yeah, so these are the track pack wheels. Yeah.
Wish they were a little wider, but I mean, those are size.
I like
They're
better than the other ones.
Yeah, looks good though.
Hit him up. He's gonna be selling the V6 wheels for sale.
Lowering springs are coming next month.
Go ahead and comment, like, and subscribe. See you guys later.